I had a vision to create my holiday every day in my own home, work-life balance. And within that came the Home of Holism. We specialise in circular salutogenic design. Circular being the materials we take from the earth and use within our projects, being fully and wholly biodegradable, and salutogenic being the benefits that the interior design has on your health. I know that we're on something because people are changing now. People are a lot more aware of the air quality within their homes, making sure that our homes are as healthy as they possibly can be. I wanted to create a sense of being, of stopping, of just, okay, this is good, I'm good.